Have you ever tossed and turned all night, waking up more tired than when you went to bed? Or maybe you're struggling with bloating, sluggish digestion, or nagging lower backaches that just won't ease up, no matter what you try. If you're over 60, your body is likely asking for something gentle, natural, and effective. And tonight, I'm going to share exactly that. A simple remedy you can prepare in under a minute. You just rub it on your belly before bed, and it does the rest while you sleep. And no, it's not some rare herb or a miracle cream from a faraway land. It's something simple and familiar, and when used the right way, it can bring the kind of relief you haven't felt in years. Let me walk you through this remedy, why it works so well for seniors, and how you can start using it tonight. So, what is this mixture? It starts with castor oil, a thick golden oil that's been used for centuries. Not just by herbalists, but even in old-fashioned home remedies passed down through generations. Castor oil is known for its anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting effects, but when you apply it topically, especially to the belly area, that's where it really shines for seniors. Here's the key. You don't just rub pure castor oil on and hope for the best. Castor oil works even better when it's mixed with the right partner oils. Oils that are lighter, more absorbable, and that each bring their own healing properties. The combination is powerful, yet gentle, just right for an aging body. If you don't have these oils at home, I've added trusted product links in the video description below to help you get started safely. Now, let's get into what this mixture actually does. For starters, rubbing this oil blend on your belly before bed supports your digestive system. As we age, digestion tends to slow down. The stomach doesn't empty as quickly, the intestines become sluggish, and it's not uncommon to feel gassy or constipated the next morning. This blend helps stimulate circulation and gently encourages bowel movement, without the harsh push of laxatives. Many seniors have reported waking up with a flatter belly, less bloating, and a lighter feeling overall. That's not a coincidence. Castor oil helps soften the underlying tissues and boosts blood flow to the area, which in turn wakes up your digestive system and supports detoxification through the lymphatic system. Now let's talk about sleep. Good sleep doesn't just come from winding down. It comes from comfort, from feeling safe in your body. The gentle heat generated by the oil blend when rubbed into the belly sends calming signals to the nervous system. Seniors who've tried this say they feel more grounded, less tense, and fall asleep faster. Some even say they stay asleep longer, without tossing, turning, or waking up with stiff joints. There's another layer to this remedy that's often overlooked: its effect on the liver. Your liver sits right under your right rib cage, and as we age, it often becomes burdened with processing years of medications, toxins, or poor sleep. By massaging this oil into your belly, especially on the right side, you help support healthy liver function. Not by magic, but by encouraging better circulation and easing congestion in the surrounding tissues. Now, let me break down the oils used in this mixture. The base is always castor oil, thick, rich, and known to penetrate deeply into the tissues. But then you add a little sweet almond oil to help the skin absorb it better. Sweet almond oil is light, rich in vitamin E, and soothing for dry, aging skin. Then comes lavender essential oil. Just a few drops make a big difference. Most people know lavender for its pleasant, relaxing scent, but its true power goes deeper than aroma. Lavender has been shown to calm the nervous system, slow down a racing mind, and help reduce physical signs of stress. When used in a belly massage, especially at night, it can send signals to the brain that it's time to rest. For seniors who carry tension in their gut, deal with frequent discomfort, or find themselves lying in bed feeling restless, lavender provides that gentle nudge toward deep relaxation. Beyond its calming effect, lavender also helps reduce inflammation, something many older adults are constantly dealing with. Whether it shows up as tight muscles, aching joints, or just that low-level discomfort that seems to linger throughout the day. Applying it topically, especially in combination with castor oil, helps soothe not just the skin but the tissues underneath, giving the body a chance to unwind naturally. Some seniors even say that lavender makes the belly area feel softer and more comfortable after just a few nights of use. Now let's talk about peppermint essential oil, a completely optional but often powerful addition. Peppermint has a refreshing scent, but its real strength lies in how it helps with digestion. Even one drop, yes, just one, is enough to stimulate the digestive tract, help with trapped gas, and relieve that heavy, sluggish feeling many seniors experience after eating. It also brings a light cooling sensation to the skin, which some people find very comforting. But peppermint is strong, so it must always be diluted properly. A single drop mixed into a full tablespoon of carrier oil, like castor or sweet almond oil, is often more than enough. So how do you actually prepare and use this soothing blend? Start with about a tablespoon of castor oil. That's your base. It's thick, nutrient-rich, and deeply penetrating. Add half a teaspoon of sweet almond oil, which helps the skin absorb everything more smoothly. Then, add 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil, and if your body tolerates it well, just 1 drop of peppermint essential oil. Stir the mixture gently with your fingertip or a clean spoon. When you're ready, usually before bed, lie down comfortably or sit back in a relaxed position. Pour a little of the mixture onto your palm, warm it between your hands, and begin rubbing it into your belly in slow clockwise circles. This motion isn't just soothing, it's intentional. It follows the natural flow of your large intestine, gently encouraging movement, which can help support healthy digestion and regularity. Begin near your navel, then slowly expand outward in wider circles. Take your time here. Don't rush the massage. Let it become a quiet nightly ritual, where your focus shifts away from the outside world and back into your body. Some people even find that the act of gently touching and caring for this area helps reduce feelings of anxiety or nervous tension. Once the oil is applied, you have a couple of options. For deeper relief, cover your belly with a warm towel or a heating pad set to low heat. The warmth helps the oils soak in even more effectively, reaching into the deeper layers of tissue. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, or longer if it feels good. But if you prefer not to use heat, that's okay too. The oils will still absorb naturally over time as you sleep. And here's what's truly surprising for many seniors. You don't have to wait long to feel the effects. For some, the very first night brings a noticeable shift. They wake up feeling lighter, less bloated, more at ease. Sleep becomes smoother. The tossing and turning starts to fade. Others may notice changes after a few days, but the key is consistency. Night after night, this gentle habit begins to work its magic. After about a week of regular use, many people report bigger changes. Better digestion, more regular bathroom habits, less tension in the lower back, and a general feeling of comfort that they haven't felt in a long time. There's even a kind of emotional release that can come with this routine, as the body finally begins to relax from the inside out. And an important note, because this blend is applied topically, it doesn't interfere with medications the way pills might. That makes it a smart and safe option for many seniors who are already managing multiple prescriptions. You get all the benefits without adding to your pill box. And while this oil blend is designed for belly application, some people also rub a little on their lower back, hips, or even knees before bed. Because the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil and lavender extend beyond just digestion, they can help ease tension in aging joints and soothe muscles too. Still, it's important to know what to watch for. If you have sensitive skin, start with a small patch test first. Try a bit of the mixture on your wrist or forearm. Wait 24 hours. If there's no redness or itching, you're good to go. Also, skip peppermint oil entirely if you have extremely sensitive skin or a history of allergic reactions to essential oils. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds lovely, but will I really keep up with it? That's fair. The answer is yes. If you make it part of your wind-down routine, keep a small dish of the mixture next to your bed or in your bathroom. After brushing your teeth, take a minute for yourself. Just 1 minute. That's all it takes to nourish your belly, calm your nerves, and prepare your body for deeper rest. Many seniors have told me this simple ritual changed the way they end their day. It became a quiet time to care for themselves. And that kind of loving habit? It sticks. As for storing the oil blend, keep it in a small glass jar with a lid, away from sunlight. It will stay fresh for a few weeks. You can even prepare a few servings ahead of time, and use a clean spoon to scoop out what you need each night. One last thing. If you live in a colder climate or during winter months, you might notice that the castor oil becomes very thick. That's normal. Just run the bottle under warm water for a few seconds, or warm it slightly between your palms before use. It softens beautifully and makes the belly massage even more comforting. You'll also find recommended oils and supplies linked in the description to make it even easier. This remedy might seem too simple at first glance, but simple doesn't mean ineffective. Especially for those of us in our later years, the body responds best to gentle, consistent care. It doesn't need force. It needs support. And this oil blend offers exactly that. So tonight, give it a try. Rub the mixture gently into your belly. Take a deep breath. Let your body unwind. And see what kind of morning greets you when your belly, your liver, and your nervous system have been nourished, not just ignored. And if you found this helpful, share it with someone you care about. Because good sleep, regular digestion, and quiet comfort shouldn't be a secret, especially after 60. They should be part of every senior's bedtime routine. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.